Must-have applications for students. Number 1. Evernote. Are you facing troubles organizing your notes? Do you leave your notes at the critical time of need? Here is a solution for you which will keep your notes organized and save you from the hassle. Evernote is a free app for your smartphone and computer that stores everything you could possibly imagine losing track of, like a boarding pass, your maths notes, receipt, article you want to read, to-do list, or even a simple typed note. The app works brilliantly, keeping everything in sync between your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Number 2. Skillshare. Does watching video lectures make you feel bored? Have you lost your interest in online studying? Here is an online platform which will bring back the zeal and spark in your studies. Skillshare is an online learning community for people who want to learn from educational videos. The majority of courses focus on interaction rather than lecturing, with the primary goal of learning by completing a project. The main course categories are creative, arts, design, entrepreneurship, lifestyle, technology, and many more subtopics. Number 3. Studious. Organizing a schedule and maintaining a timetable is a really tough job for the students of this century. To help them out with their problems, here's an app which can make their lives easy. Studious is an elegant yet minimal and lightweight app to organize your study schedule. It ensures you never lose track of your homework or exams and keep you punctual for your classes with a beautifully designed timetable viewer. To get started with Studious, add your subjects first through the subjects options in the menu. That's it. Then you're free to edit your timetable, homework and exams as you wish. Number 4. Trello. Do you find project management stressful? Do you struggle to keep your tasks, team members and goals organized? Staying on top of these things can be frustrating. But with the right tool, the entire process can become streamlined, efficient and easier for everyone. Trello Project Management is a phenomenal tool whether you need to organize the work of a whole team or just want to boost your own productivity. If you have to handle a team workflow, you can use it in any area of your business, from software development and UX testing to marketing and design. The tool is also location agnostic. It doesn't matter if your teammates are at the next desk or across the world. Trello will do the job. Number 5 is LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is an online educational platform that helps you discover and develop business, technology-related and creative skills through expert-led course videos. With more than 5,000 courses and personalized recommendations, you can discover, complete and track courses related to your field and interest. LinkedIn Learning bridges the gap between the career you want and the skills you need. Number 6. Duolingo. Want to travel to different places but feel language is the barrier? Or do you want to pursue studies overseas but feel underconfident about the language? Here is the solution to solve your linguistic problems. Duolingo is the most popular language learning platform and the most downloaded education app in the world. You just have to register yourself in the app, select the language that you want to learn, select the reason why you want to learn the language, feed in the amount of time you can invest per day, choose your level of the language and then simply get started. Number 7. InShorts. People these days don't really have time to sit in the balcony and read newspapers. Life has become very fast and busy. The solution to this problem is to bring the newspaper in your mobile phones and tablets in a concise form. InShorts is a news app that selects latest and best news from multiple national and international sources and summarizes them to present in a short and crisp 60 words or less format, personalized for you in both English and Hindi. All summarized stories contain only headlines and facts to help you stay informed of the current affairs. Number 8. Fever. Freelancers and small startups need platform these days to do marketing and publicity of their products and services, and Fiverr is one such platform. As the world's most affordable and easiest to use digital marketplace, Fiverr enables freelancers and entrepreneurs to start doing, growing, and succeeding. Geography, time, and budget are no longer barriers. And now, with the Fiverr mobile app, you can get connected to no matter where you are or what you're doing. All the apps mentioned in the video are available on the Google Play Store. You can also download these apps from the link in the description box below. And you can drop your queries and questions in the comment section. And for more news and update, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.